Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to face WhatsApp verification code not received error. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily face this problem. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, I will advise you to request for a call, so that team WhatsApp will call you and then mention the verification code for you. So you can just request for a call so that they will just mention the code for you to enter the code to verify your WhatsApp account. But if you are still not getting the code, I will advise you to click on the three lines at the upper right corner over here. Once you click on the three lines at the three dot at the upper right corner, just click on help. Once you click on help, you can see this doesn't answer my question. Click on that. Now once you click on that, just wait for a while and you can see you have to enter whatever I'm writing over here. So you can also enter same: hi team, I am facing an issue with the WhatsApp verification process. I have not received the verification code required to complete the registration. I have checked my connectivity, restarted my device, but the problem persists. Kindly assist me in resolving this matter as soon as possible. Thank you. Now once you are done with this, once you have entered this, all you need to do is to click on next. Now just wait for a while, and once you click on next, you click on this doesn't answer my question once again. Now once you click on that, you can see the email is sent to team WhatsApp, and after some time your problem will be solved. So you can see an email over here that has been composed over here. So you can see over here and you can see everything here. So all you need to do is to send this email. You can see the compose over here and then send button over here. All you need to do is to send this to team WhatsApp and your problem will be faced successfully. Now for the last solution, if you are still facing this problem, I will advise you to uninstall your WhatsApp and also install your WhatsApp once again. And by performing all this trick, your problem will be solved successfully. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video